So you want to wash your car, but you're not sure where to start, what products you need, what accessories you need. We are here to show you how to do it step by step. So you can either watch along, or if you want to listen along and wash while you listen, you can do that too. So Joey's going to go into detail about what we need and how to wash the car, and then I am going to be the one actually following his instructions and washing the car.
First things first, you're going to need to grab all the products that you need to give your car that full service detail. Now right here we have some wheel cleaning products, tire cleaning products, some brushes, a dirt trap. We've got some buckets right here to the side. We've also got our big mouth foam cannon, some wash mitts, and some soap to give the car a wash. And then last but not least, we have some drying towels, microfiber towels, applicators, detail sprays, tire shine, glass cleaner, and much more. So we've got everything that we need, and now the first thing that you're going to tackle when it comes to cleaning your car is your wheels. Before we begin to clean the wheels, we're going to set up our pressure washer. Now to plug in your ProFlow PM2000 pressure washer, all you have to do is attach all the included hoses as well as the garden hose, turn on your hose, plug it into the power, turn it on, and you're all set to go. Now it's time to clean the wheels. To clean your wheels, you want to start off by first pre-rinsing the area to knock off all the loose dirt, debris, and brake dust. Once you pre-rinse your wheels, now you want to set up your wheel cleaning bucket. So you want to grab a chemical guys bucket. You also want to fill it up with water all the way to the top. Now you want to grab your bottle of Diablo wheel cleaner and you want to spray that directly onto the surface of your wheel. Once you finish spraying Diablo wheel cleaner all over your wheel, now you can grab your wheelie flag tip brush, spray some directly onto the bristles of the brush, and now start scrubbing the wheel to knock off all the dirt, grime, and brake dust. Once you're done scrubbing the face of the wheel with your wheelie flag tip brush, now you can grab your boar's hair detailing brush, you can grab some Diablo wheel cleaner, spray some directly into the bristles, and now you can start attacking all the nooks and crannies like the lug nuts, the valve stem, the brake caliper, and much more. At this point in time, you should be done with cleaning your wheels. Now you want to clean the tires. Now what you want to use to clean your tires is Total Extract Tire and Rubber Cleaner. This is a specific cleaner for your tires to remove tire browning, blooming, and get your tires nice and right before your next tire shine application. Go ahead and spray that directly onto your tires. Give it a nice coat, don't be stingy. Grab your big blue stiffy brush, spray some directly into the bristles of your brush, and then begin to scrub. Once you start scrubbing, you should see that foam turn from white to brown, letting you know that you're breaking down all the embedded grease, grime, and previous dressings. And then once you're done doing all that throughout your entire wheel and your tire, now all you want to do is rinse it all off, and you're done cleaning your wheels. Great job. Now that you're done with the wheels, now it's time for the wash. So before you get to washing, you want to set up your 2-bucket method. Now you want to grab 2 chemical guys buckets, you want to fill those up with water, and then you want to insert your Cyclone dirt traps. These Cyclone dirt traps filter out your wash water while you're washing your car. That way when you're going back and forth from your buckets to your car, you're not just scratching it up with the same dirt and grime that you're taking off. Now you want to grab your favorite chemical guys soap and add about an ounce to your wash bucket. The other bucket is just going to be filled with clean water, and it's going to stay that way because that's going to be your dedicated rinse bucket. Now we're going to set up the foam cannon. So we're going to open up the nozzle of the Torque Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon, and we're going to add about 2 ounces of our favorite chemical guys soap. In this case, we're using watermelon snow foam. And then once you have that, go ahead and put the nozzle back on, stir it, and you're all ready to foam. But before you do so, you want to make sure to pre-rinse the vehicle to knock off as much loose dirt, grime, and debris from the surface of the vehicle for a better scratch-free wash. Once you're done rinsing off your car, now you want to connect your Torque Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon to your pressure washer gun, and now you want to go ahead and give your car that nice coat of foam. Once your car is all foamed up, let it lather on your vehicle for about 1 minute, and then you want to go ahead and start your contact wash. So you're going to grab your chenille microfiber wash mitt, and now you're going to grab some suds and start washing your vehicle. Now when it comes to wiping down your car, you always want to start from the top and then work your way down. And then when you're wiping, make sure to wipe in straight motions, because if you do any kind of circular motions, if anything gets caught on your wash mitt and you do that circular motion, that's how you get swirl marks. Now we have 2 buckets. Don't forget about your 2-bucket method. After you do a section, typically half of a panel, you want to come back to your rinse bucket. So that's the bucket that you have filled with pure water, no soap, and your dirt trap. So you want to grab your wash mitt, dunk it in there, and then you want to scrub it against the face of the dirt trap sitting at the bottom of your bucket to knock off any kind of loose dirt, grime, and debris that's on your wash mitt. And then that dirt trap actually filters it out and keeps it at the bottom of your bucket, that way it doesn't resurface. Once you've cleaned off your wash mitt, inspect it to make sure that there's no branches, twigs, or any kind of debris on them that can potentially scratch your paintwork. Grab some more suds and then continue washing the rest of your vehicle. Now that you're done wiping down your car, all that there's left to do is to rinse it off and dry it.
Caught.
Catching a Pokemon.
So to dry your vehicle, we're going to be using our Thirst Trap Microfiber Chamois drying towel which is a combination of a chamois and a microfiber drying towel combined into one. This towel is perfect for drying your entire vehicle without any kind of streaks left behind. Now that you're done drying your vehicle, it's time to pay attention to all the fine little details. So one of the details that you may want to pay attention to after you're done washing your car is the paintwork. Now, if your paintwork does have any kind of little water spots left behind, maybe you have some burnt droppings that didn't come off during your wash, you can use a product like Synthetic Quick Detailer, which is a on-the-go quick detailer that you can spray directly onto the surface of your vehicle, wipe away any kind of contaminants, all while giving it a nice little layer of shine and protection. To maximize your clarity after washing your car, you should always use a glass cleaner like Streak Free on the inside and out, just to make sure that there's no contaminants or any kind of films that may be obscuring your vision. And last but not least, don't forget to dress. Now, today we're going to be using Shine Logic Tire Shine, which is an easy to use sprayable dressing that you can spray onto your tires or onto an applicator, work it into your tires to restore that nice, brilliant, high gloss shine. And it also helps protect your tires from the harsh UV rays to prevent drying, cracking, and fading. All right, guys, and just like that, we're all done washing this beautiful Tesla with Emily here.
So if you like this video, give us a like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment below if there's anything else you want to see us do, or if you have questions about what we showed you, and we'll see you in a couple days.
Bye.
Bye.